Mom opened some for me, and it got the dress. I really want to try it on it right now, but I can't sadly because I have to wait till the end. Ooh, I think this is going to be really good because the clues said like really good to be star. So I think it's going to be like a star that's really good to me. So I think it's that. And here, oh, I'm just going to put it with this. Is that rubbish? Yeah, that's rubbish. So now we're going to open this one. And then when we open this one, put all the accessories together, and then we'll figure out what's inside here, and then we'll go to the second one. I'm just going to put that there, just in case you don't know what our one is. Oh, I opened it. Oh, there's some cute water bottle. Now let's open this one, the mystery. The head stuff. This is the head. Do you think he's the head or bottom? I think this one is the bottom and this one is the head. Okay, I don't need any help. I can do this myself. Okay. Ooh, she has a little bit of black and some brown hair. Let's open it some more because I can't really take it out. Oh. Ooh, she looks cute. Oh, she looks split. That's funny. Oh no, her glitter's all over me. Oh. Wait, this exact same girl is on here. Huh? That's funny. Oh well. Put the legs down. Actually, I'm gonna put her dress up right now. So I'm gonna take this. Now, how do I put this on? No. Okay, I took it off now. If I take this off, then I'll be okay. I did it now. Let's put the rubbish back where it belongs. Yay! Took it off. Now let's put the legs down like I wanted it to be when it didn't work. It's still got the splits. I can't even take them out. Oh, I think I'm doing it. Oh, there you go. You just have to put the legs down like that. Comment down below if you ever open a wall surprise doll, because my first time, and my mom brought me this for Christmas. Have I said that? I don't know if I already said that. Because I don't really remember, because I'm too excited to open this for my first time. Yeah. Okay, guys, I opened it with a little bit of help from my mom. Yeah, shouting. So now let's put the skirt on. Actually, I'm supposed to put the top on first, but how do you put this on? No idea how I'm supposed to put this on. No idea. Oh yeah. Sorry. Oh yeah, I got it now. I think I know how to do it. I got it. Okay, guys, I put it back on, and now I'm gonna put the skirt on. I'm not sure which one I think it's this way. Yeah, it's this way. Oh, she looks really cute. Look at her, guys. I'm gonna put it back up there. Now let's put the glasses on. Don't need any help with this because my mom always helps me, and I don't need any help with this one. Let's put the glasses on. Do you think I'm gonna put the glasses on her eyes or in front of her head, like above her eyes? I think I'm gonna put it on. I'm not gonna put the glasses on just yet. So okay, we're back, and I just put the bottom on to see how it was before I showed you guys, and now I'm gonna show you how it was like. She's so cute. That's my first time. And it's so cute. Look at her. Let me put the sunglasses on now. Look at her glasses. They don't like those you know those red ones? I think it's like that, but like the glittery pink version. Oh, there we go. Let's put this one on. That might be good. Ooh, there she is. Hey, cousin. Oh, not that good. God, I do not know how to do it. That's okay. She's cute and always cute. Let's put. She's so adorable. Look at that. That's her. Let's try to make her sit down. Actually, no. Actually, I don't really want these. I'm gonna put them back. Which one did we go again? Let's see. We got the. What do we get? Oh, you got the doll face? That's a little bit of a really funny name. Let's move to our second one now. Okay, right, let's go second. So, let's open this. Actually, I'm going to open with this. Let's see which one I get after I open this. Oh, the really big one. There, I'm gonna add some more. Ooh! Oh no, I didn't need to squash that one. Let's see what it is. Ooh, the clue is this. Put it there. I'm gonna tell you guys what the clue is after I do the board. Is it the board? Let's try to find a zip. Where's the zip? Oh, there it is. You guys like animals? Comment down below if you love animals. I love them, but I've never had them before. And look, now I have them. Then we got this one. Wait, I already told that. I don't want to tell you guys. You already saw it. Okay, I opened it now. We have to open another zipper. Oh, I really don't like these zippers. Ooh, got it. No, not there. Here. Ooh, that was a big one. Oh, I just dropped it. It's okay. I just got missed. I was like, ah! Oh, there's another clue. Let's open it. They're the exact same as this one. Oh, it's because they're the glitter girls. I forgot. We do this. If you guys haven't subscribed to me already, make sure you have if you love me. And also click the notification bell, but if you're watching on TV, then just, yeah, I don't know. Let's open this. Also, where's the zip? Oh, okay guys, I opened the first bit. It's all there. If you want to see it, then just go and see it. There's a lot of mess. Well, actually, don't because it's really nice. Let's just open this first. Okay guys, I'm gonna open these. Ooh, it's a glittery one. Okay, I'm gonna put the clues over there. Nice one. And ooh, shoes. I got shoes this time. Well, ice skater, I think. I know which one we have. We have ice skater, I think. Oh yes, we do. Because I see pink hair. Is it? Oh, yes, it is. Look at this. Oh, she's also doing the splits. And we're gonna put this back just like that. Okay, we did that one. Okay, put it back now. Look at it. Look at the hair at the back. Okay. There we go. Oh, did I open this one? No, I didn't. What? Oh, look at the shoes. Oh, yeah. And let's see this one. What does she have? Oh, yeah. I think these are headphones. Yeah, these are headphones. It's just so you guys, just don't worry about that. There's another one. Let's see if this accidentally ripped it. Oh well, I have another one. Okay, let's just see if there's that thing. Is it? Yes, there's that thing. Wait. What? Oh yeah, I thought this was the special ones, but they aren't. Let's see the last one. Oh my goodness! It's so adorable. Let's open. I mean, not open. Oh, let's. Okay, why did you show here? It's okay. And then not here. Which one do you think I should do first? I think I'm gonna do the outfit first. Obviously. Okay, let's put this on. Okay. Okay, I put the top on. Now let's put the what's it called down? Oh yeah. Let's put this one on now. Which is good. Also. Who says it? So fun. So you read it's 4 days till Christmas. I'm so excited. Really excited. Ooh, this is like little pants. Come on, I never got this. I never got this. Oh, this is really hard to do. Okay, guys, I put this the skirts on, and now I'm gonna put the shoes on, which is the easy part. These pretty. I wish I was like pink. Actually, no, because I did not want pink hair. That'd be crazy on me. We need to be normal people, you know. Nearly got this. Nearly her foot. Oh, there we go. Let's put her headphones on, and then we're gonna get. Look at that. And she look adorable. But she needs her milk today. I'm just gonna keep it there. Bye guys, this is all about the things that I have unboxed. My first unboxing video. I really hope. Oh, let me just fix this first and then we'll keep improving. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. It's a notification on next to the subscribe button. Bye for now.